I would like to start an online business, but I don't know what to sell. Is there anything which can help me to find the perfect product? I can't count how many times I tried to find the answer for this question. In the beginning of my 20s, I decided that I would like to establish my first online side hustle business. However, I didn't find an exact answer for this question way too long. I have read many comprehensive guides about how to find products to sell, but even if I tried so hard, this question remained unanswered. In fact, the more I read about this topic, the more questions and doubts raised in my head. I have asked the following question from myself. How should I know that the product I found will be viable on the market? Maybe something seems to be okay in theory, however, what will happen in practice? If I invest money into a specific product, will it be profitable? And so on. As I had limited resources for my first online side hustle, I already knew in the beginning that I need to find a process which can help me to decrease the risk of failure to nearly to zero. Furthermore, I need to find idea which can be profitable and require low investment. Finally, based on the knowledge I gained through my years, I was able to come up with my own product search strategy, which still I like to use when I try to find new products. Now let's see all the steps which will help you to provide the answer on how to find products to sell. Step 1. Set the rules. Surely we can jump into the middle of the process. However, if you watch my previous videos, you might notice that I am a big fan of preparation. I strongly believe that without the right planning we can make wrong decisions easier, and these decisions might lead to irreversible consequences in the future. I assume that you would like to avoid losing money because you have invested into the wrong product, right? For this purpose, the first step if you would like to find products to sell is that you set your own rules. These rules will help you to turn your focus to products which might be suitable for your business and don't waste time on type of products which not be relevant for you. So here is my list what I have created last time when I have looked for new products. First, the product can be cheap. It must cost at least 20 bucks and I would like to earn 20% or even more profit on a single sale. This rule can help to not get overwhelmed by 20 to 30 orders per day if there is a real increasing demand for my product. I strongly believe that time is the most valuable resource in our life, therefore I don't want to spend every single day 1 or 2 hours to prepare the mentioned amount of packages and earn a small amount of money. Another criteria was on my list that the product itself must be small. As I don't have too much free space at my home, that was a crucial criteria that I don't want to order something which is heavy and big. Instead, I would like to focus only on products which can be carried easily and fast. Further rule was that the product itself cannot be complex. What do I mean by that? Personally, I am not a technical guy at all, and even if I find a small machinery which can earn me decent amount of margin, I don't pick it on my list. Moreover, I think these type of products which has more complexity might have higher rates of failure, and I don't want to spend money on something which will come back to me because my potential customers are not able to install them. All in all, I always focus only on products which has a very simple function and it's easy to use. And lastly, the product delivery time from my potential supplier must be short. Honestly, I don't like to order different type of products which are based only on my assumption. Therefore, in the beginning of my new ideas, I don't have any stock at all. When I launch a new marketing campaign and I finally see that there is a real demand for my products, this is the point when I start to place my first order at my supplier side. Therefore, it's a crucial requirement that my supplier must ship out the product as fast as they can because I don't want my potential customers wait too long. Right now I have shared with you a couple of rules that I would like to apply when I start to look for new products. However, that doesn't mean that you need to come up with the exact same rules. All in all, I highly recommend you to come up with your own set of rules and don't need to follow my logic, but instead find your own formula which can completely fit into your preferences. This simple preparation step can help you to save tons of time and money too. Step 2. Start collecting nominees. Now you have a list of rules which will be your compass through the products of Endless Sea. Let's sail out and see what we have. At this step I don't want to focus on an exact method, but rather provide you different type of approaches which also help me to find different products. The techniques are the following. Scroll through well-known marketplaces. eBay or Amazon can be an excellent start if you would like to find profitable products. First of all, the mentioned sites has well-structured product category, so you can easily go one by one on them and harvest the good products which will fit into the set of rules what you have applied. At this point, I suggest you to go as deep as you can and look for the deepest subcategory, because you will find more profitable products here, and these products might have less competition because they are more detailed. Furthermore, you can also use the filter options to make sure that you look for the right nominees. Here you can select the product location, sizes, weights, different type of certificates and so on, and all of these filters can help you to exclude the unnecessary products and only turn your focus which might be potential for your set of rules. All in all, it will take time to find the perfect ideas. However, if you pay attention to the mentioned details, you can save a tons of time. Give a chance for Chinese sites. Alibaba and AliExpress are working the same way like the previously mentioned sites, but I prefer them more. Now you can ask why. First of all, if you check out the mentioned sites like eBay or Amazon, sooner or later you will figure out that countless vendors are selling exactly the same products what you can find on Alibaba or AliExpress. Therefore, it's more reasonable to look for the original source itself and not scroll through the mentioned sites first. Secondly, Alibaba and AliExpress will provide you another excellent opportunity to check the price gap between eBay and the Chinese sites. If you find something on eBay or Amazon, I guarantee that you will also be able to find it on Alibaba or AliExpress, but these products will be much cheaper than at the first place. And gladly, the price gap between the mentioned sites will provide you an excellent first taste how much you can earn with your potential products. Lastly, there are many newcomers and exciting products which might not be on eBay or Amazon yet. If you are lucky enough and you can react quickly, then you might be able to find low-hanging fruits which might be your next hit. Check buy and sell groups. Craigslist, Facebook groups and so on, there are many different types of buy and sell groups which can also be inspiration for you. To be honest, I don't check these kind of groups too often, however that doesn't mean that you don't need to give a chance for them. Who knows, you might find something which will inspire you. Give a chance for social media. Actually, these sites have a lot of influencers who try to sell different type of products, therefore you might find something which can be profitable for you. Honestly, I don't prefer these type of sources because based on my experience, I was able to find only products which has too high competition and too low margin, but that doesn't mean that you won't be lucky. To wrap up this tip, it won't be easy to collect products for your potential business and it will require many work hours. If you take my advice, try to be patient and don't rush the process because you might end up with a list which won't be advantageous at all. By the end of this step, you must have a transparent list of products, what seems to be great to sell, but your task won't end here. Step 3. Evaluate the demand. Even if you come up with excellent nominees, they seem to be worthy based on your assumptions only. This step will reveal the truth and you must prepare yourself that even if you have collected many great products, most of them or maybe all of them will be excluded because there is no demand for them or the demand is too low. This time you will ask the following question from yourself. How can I ensure that there is a real demand for my collected products? Gladly, there are many interesting tools which can help you to find out if there is a demand for your selected product or not. One of my favorite keyword checker tool called Uber Suggest, but you can also give a try for different alternatives like Moz.com. In the mentioned online marketing tools, you will have the possibility to check out how high is the competition for your specific keywords. For example, if you would like to sell t-shirts online, these kind of tools will help you to figure out what is the competition level of your selected keyword. Moreover, these kind of tools can help you to adjust your final decision because they can help you to figure out if one of the synonym has less competition or higher competition regarding your product. Shortly, the more details you have about the product, the better chances you will have. To sum up, this step will help you to sort out all kind of keywords and products which has too high competition or too low demand. Personally, I like to look for keywords has low competition and moderate demand, because I have figured it out that these kind of products can be profitable on a longer term. Step 4. Promote your product. The last step will be a bit easier because finally you have a product which you know that it has demand and also low competition. Unfortunately, at this point you are the only one who knows that you found a valuable product, but you need to make sure that others will get this too. For this reason, you must promote your product on all possible marketing channels, otherwise you won't make any sales. Right now I don't want to get into the details because this video is about how to find product to sell and not how to promote your services, but I still would like to share with you different type of techniques which can help you to promote your product. First, pay attention to SEO. Search engine optimization is an essential part if you would like to sell successfully online. It's very important that you need to provide valuable, interesting, and comprehensive information about your products. Meanwhile, you also need to make sure that you include your selected keywords. At this point, you need to find the perfect balance between the two criteria. I mean, don't spam your description with full of keywords. On the other hand, make sure that you include them. Secondly, select the right product pictures, and it's even better if you upload videos too. The more professional pictures and videos you upload, the better chances you will have that you sell these products actually. It's even better if you look for pictures which are made in real circumstances, because it will get a better taste for your customers, how it looks and how they can operate the products. And lastly, look for marketing channels where you can promote your products even further. In the end, depending on the type of products what you would like to sell, you can give a try for Facebook, Craigslist, Instagram, TikTok, and so on. Or if you would like to invest a little bit more, you can look for paid ads. All in all, promoting your product can be as crucial as finding a profitable product itself, but I would like to discuss this in a different video. So that was all for today, and I hope by the end of this video you were able to find the answer on how to find products to sell. As I have mentioned in the beginning, I have struggled to find the answer for this question way too long, and I hope that this video will provide you a better sight how to find products. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, share my video, and see you next week.